In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get back your missing eBay SKU. Whether you're an experienced seller or just getting started, the SKU, or stock keeping unit, plays a vital role in managing your inventory on eBay. It helps you track your products, organize your listings, and maintain accurate stock levels. Let's dive in and get your missing SKU back in place. First, make sure you're logged into your eBay account. Open your preferred browser, head to eBay, and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're all set to move forward. Next, go to the My eBay section and click on Selling. This area is your main control center where you can view and manage all your active listings and sales. Now, find the Listings tab. From here, you can either create a new listing or edit an existing one. If you're missing an SKU on a current product, open that listing for editing. Once you're inside the listing, look toward the title section at the top. On the far right side, you'll see an option called See Title Options. Click on it to reveal some extra customization settings. Among those options, you'll find a toggle labeled Custom Label SKU. Switch it on. After that, a new field will appear under the title area called Custom Label SKU. This is where you can enter your unique product identifier, your SKU. Type it in carefully so it matches your inventory records, and that's it. You've successfully brought back the missing SKU field to your eBay listing. With your SKUs properly added, you'll be able to manage your inventory more efficiently, stay organized, and save yourself time and confusion later on. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you fix your missing eBay SKU. If it did, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy eBay tutorials. Until next time, happy selling.